And here's how to delete your Facebook timeline, or how to clear timeline with post years ago on Facebook. Go ahead and open your Facebook and log into the account. Now tap on your profile photo here to go to your Facebook profile. Once you are in your Facebook profile, tap on this three dot next to edit profile, and here tap on activity log. Once you are here, all you have to need, tap on public post, and here you will see all of your public posts that you've posted in your Facebook timeline or profile. Now to see post by date, tap on this filter icon, and here tap on date, tap on start date, and here, for example, I want to delete all posts I've posted from 2023 January. So I'm selecting here 2023 January 1, and okay, and in date I'm selecting here 2024 October, just like so, 7th October, and then I'm clicking on done. And then here you'll find all of your posted post. Now all you have to need, tap on select all, and all of your posts will be selected. Now all you have to need, tap on trash, tap on move to trash, and all of your post will be moved to trash, and after 30 days all of your trash post will be permanently deleted from your Facebook profile. So that's how we can actually clean up our Facebook timeline by date. Thanks for watching.